Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a common issue that many of you have encountered, the problem of not receiving friend requests on Facebook. Don't worry, we are here to help you troubleshoot and solve these issues. Let's get started. The first thing to do is check your privacy settings. Go to your Facebook profile and click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now click on More Settings. Scroll down and go to How People Can Find and Contact You. Here, review who can send you friend request. Make sure it's set to everyone. If it's not, change it to everyone and save the change. Step number 2 is unblock people. Sometime you might have accidentally blocked someone, which can prevent them from sending you friend request. To check this, again go to the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Go to Settings. There you can find the option of blocking. Here, review your block list and unblock anyone if necessary. Step number 3 is confirm your email and phone number. Ensure that your email and phone number are associated with your Facebook account are correct and verified. This can affect whether or not people can find you and send you friend request. Step number 3. Confirm your email and phone number. Ensure that your email and phone number associated with your Facebook account are correct and verified. This can affect whether or not people can find you and send you friend request. Step number 4. Check your spam folders. Sometimes friend requests may end up in your spam folders. Check your Facebook spam folders to see if any legitimate requests are hidden there. Step number 5. Mutual friends and profile completeness. Having mutual friends with the person trying to send you a request can make it more likely that you will receive it. And also make sure your profile is complete and does not have any suspicious or fake informations. And finally, step number 6. Contact Facebook support. If none of the above solution works, it might be a technical issue. In this case, you can contact Facebook support or assistance. They can help resolve the problem if it's on their end. To contact Facebook support, go to your settings. To go to your contact Facebook support, go to the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and there you can see help and support at the bottom. And there you have it. We have gone through some common steps to troubleshoot the issue of not receiving friend request on Facebook. Remember, sometimes it may take a little time for requests to come through. But if it's been an extended period and you are still experiencing this problem, these steps should help. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.